What is tribulus extract? Vitex is a plant used in herbal medicine. Also are known as chaste tree or chasteberry. It's often used to remedy women's health problems. Vitex's entire mechanism of action is unknown, but it may indirectly influence several hormones, such as prolactin, progesterone, and estrogen. For example, it is thought that Vitex reduces the release of prolactin by activating dopamine receptors. Prolactin is a hormone secreted by the pituitary gland that helps promote breast development and milk production. Vitex has a long history of use in a range of female conditions. The name chaste tree comes from the belief in folk medicine that it could suppress libido. In herbal medicine today, Vitex is frequently used to manage the following: premenstrual syndrome, PMS, infertility in females, and menopausal symptoms. Its medicinal parts are the dried and ripe fruits of the verbena leafolia or Vitex chinensis. Vitex extract is brown-yellow powder. Its active ingredients are vitexin and flavin. Vitex extract can be extracted with water, alcohol, etc. Vitex trifolia is a deciduous shrub belonging to the genus Vitex of the Verbenaceae family. Cosmetics use extracts from their dried and ripe fruits. Vitex extract can be used as an antioxidant. Vitex extract also can be used moisturizer and hair conditioner. Thank you for watching.